Mutungamiri wenyika yeSouth Africa aiva Cyril Ramaphosa toona kuti vopinzwa panguva yakaoma vooneswa ndondo nokuda kwekunoatenda the inauguration aiwa yaDaniel Chapo. Sanapinda mashoko anobuda nyogwa panapa nowakomana with the news hogs to subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Timira paendo pako anobuda nyora achiti South African President Cyril Ramaphosa attended the inauguration ceremony of new Mozambican President Daniel Chapo with a big delegation, which included his Foreign Minister Ronald Lamola on Wednesday, as he tightens his grip on the country's deadly post-election violence and chaos, trying to resolve the intensifying conflict. Zimbabwean President Emmerson Mnangagwa, who is ironically the Southern African Development Community chair, was conspicuous by his absence. Ramaphosa, who previously tried to intervene in Zimbabwe before he was frustrated by the Harare government and the ZANU-PF, has clearly outmaneuvered Mnangagwa on Mozambican crisis, which poses a regional political and security threat. Mnangagwa and the Tanzanian President Samia Suluhu Hassan, the chairperson of the SADC Troika, the organ on politics and defense and security cooperation, should be at the forefront of tackling the conflict, which has far-reaching consequences for the region, particularly for Zimbabwe, which imports and exports 70% of its commodities through the Beira Corridor, a critical energy supply route for several countries, including Zambia, Malawi, and Southern Democratic Republic of Congo. Mashoko anobuda anyorwa panapa vanochiona kuti aiwa vakomana aiwa vana Cyril Ramaphosa anoonekwa kuti is one of the only presidents vangaonekwa kuti vanga vari vaviri vakangono attend this inauguration. Vatoona kuti most of the presidents vari muSADC block they are against zviri kuitiwa nethe SADC chair nevakomana naDaniel Chapo, noda kuti vanhu vese vanoziva chokwadi kuti aiwa pakabiridzirwa maposi awa, vachiona kuti the SADC chair must be representing citizens emunyika yeMozambique kuti stop the chaos. Tudze mafungiro enyu kuti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Nakomene section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.